Good morning. It's Friday, November the 29th, the day after Thanksgiving. We are back at the Crow Ledges parking lot in Princeton. We already went up to the New Hampshire border from here. Now we're going to go down to Barry Falls. It's about 19 miles, right on the town line there. This one should be about 19 miles.
19.36 according to the watch.
According to the watch, the device. All right, Bandit, you ready for this? Yeah? Okay. We're going to get it. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. And I'm ready too. Here we go. Here's that sun.
Come on up here a little bit.
Right here. We're at the junction. This is where we started last time. Oops. All right, this time we're going to go left. We're going to go by Redemption Rock. Choose it. And then to Barry Falls, where the car is parked. Beautiful. At least the leaves are a little packed down now. Finally got some rain. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's a good start to the day.
Yes, there is.
I'll take that any day. Imagine taking that every day.
Right?
Perfect. And we're off. That's Mount Wachusett right there. They were supposed to open today, but I don't know about that. Sure looks like a lot of dead spots in the snowpack.
Yeah, there are a couple completely bare.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen. You gotta give them an A for effort though. You don't really get the good weather for it. That's too bad. It's a hell of a job they do over there. We should be up there in a couple hours. What do you think of that, hon? Pretty slick.
Pretty slick.
As soon as that sun hit it,
Yeah. It's like ice.
it was frosty.
I
And
don't
rock.
know what's worse. Frozen leaves or leaves that just fell?
That's a big tree. All right, that was more difficult than it needed to be. And poorly marked too. But now that we made it down at the rocks right there, they got pretty slick when the sun hit them. It's like on the blacktop when you get black ice. All right, we're heading that way. We got a triangle.
You have a triangle.
Let's do it.
Go on.
All right, we're approaching our first road gap here. Route 140, which is basically going to be in Wachusett Forest here. Could see the mountain a minute ago. Can't see it now. I think it's through the trees. Can't see the mountain through the trees. So we're going to cross right here. If the good people in the vehicles let us. I think we're good to go. Here we go. We're headed right here. Peek back in the woods. Been pretty good so far. Just a little slippery there, especially when the sun hits the ice. But other than that, been good. About 33 degrees, 32. When you get on the uphill, it's easy to regulate your temp. All right. Can't really make it out, but that's Redemption Rock. Upon this rock, May 2nd, 1676, was made the agreement for the ransom of Mrs. Mary Rowland of Lancaster between the Indians and John Hoare of Concord. King Philip was with the Indians but refused his consent. All right. Well, I don't think they're gonna make it open. Doesn't look good. That's too bad. They would have made a lot of money today. I don't know. It's supposed to be cold for a week, but I don't know how long it takes to fill that up. Well, we're almost at the top of Wachusett here. There's no snow. 32 degrees. A lot of frost and ice. That rock face we just went over. That was pretty slick. A few guys were back there putting on their micro spikes. If it was just a day hike, I probably would have done it. Well, I mean, it's still a day hike, but if we weren't going so far, it wasn't that bad though, as long as we were careful. As long as you stay off of the high part of the rock. That means you come down on the unders. You hit the unders. You hit the grooves. That's pretty good. It's windy up here, that's for sure. Can't wait to get back down. After this, there ain't much elevation left in the day. Definitely colder up here though. Ooh. Yep. Alright, I got more ice to deal with. Until later. Later. Alright, here we are, continuing on. Gonna cut across this hayfield. This is the second one I think we've been on this trail.
Yep.
Very nice, a little overcast. Cool temps, but at least you're not sweating, so I can deal with that. I'll take the cool over that any day. Wrong way, hon, this way.
Hey.
Alrighty. Well, we've come through all of that hayfield up along this edge here. It's a nice piece of property. And they even mowed it so you can walk along the edge. That's pretty cool.
Oh, back on trail. Just finished lunch. Just over 10 miles. 9 more to go. Oh, hardest part of the day is done though. No more mountains. Just a lot of up and down walk in the woods. Enjoying the sun coming through. About 37 degrees out today. Keeping warm by moving.
All right. Heading over a little bridge here. Nice bogged out area here. Some marsh. Yep. A lot of debris made that up. Wow. Looks like we got a railroad crossing coming up. Imagine it's the Worcester Railroad. Figure Sterling, Princeton, West Boylston, that's all north of Worcester. I have seen them come through Boylston. Nobody coming through now. Just like New Hampshire, I never get my train. Someday. Here we go. All done with a short road walk. Went past some really nice houses. Oh look, it's a gated community. All right. Got the old jet boil fired up. 2:30 in the afternoon with 5 miles to go. Figure we'll have a coffee. Danny can have some salmon. Chew on some sticks. We got the water running here. It's nice seeing the water run again. Everything was so dry. What a difference 2 weeks makes. That's been there a while. Yeah, I know, a big root ball, not for a big tree though. We have to walk around. It's a little marshy around here. All in all, a good day. I see you guys up there. All right, we got another bridge. Water is flowing. 1.4 miles to go. It's a 4:15. 4:10. Oh, I don't know, maybe 4:30 or so. We'll make it back before dark. Right around sunset. That's a cool bridge. I imagine this water runs into where the car's parked. Is that Barry Falls, Barry Dam? Must be. Because I think we're heading that way. Got an awful lot of nose over here. Contaminate everything and then you can't use it. Yep. 0.86 to go. We're over by the dam. See the dam behind me over here. There's my damn wife. Yeah, I think we just peek up through here. Cross over this road. And then dip on in. And then we're at the car. We shall see. Well, I guess that's how we go. Over top of dam. No water on this part of the dam. This must be an overflow area. Right, we made it.
Yeah, because it said I still had 0.25 more to go.
So we would have to run down there. That's right, we'll get to that pot when we come back at it the other side.
Yeah.
Whew. We did it. Just enough time to make some hot chocolate before we go pick up Mike's truck. That's a couple 20 milers, 40 miles down, 50 to go. You gotta talk to the person for putting them bags under my eyes. That just ain't right.